Hello everyone, my name is Alex, and we're hours away from Hurricane Dolly hitting Brownsville, Texas. I'm from Brownsville, Texas. I live in the south border. We're hours away from Hurricane Dolly hitting Brownsville, Texas. They say it's going to hit around 7 in the morning. It's going to be 2 in the morning, and I'm going to show you a live view of the hurricane if it passes through Brownsville. My goal is to get in the eye of the hurricane because I want to film the inside of the hurricane. Hopefully it's during daylight and you can see the clouds around the eye of the hurricane, and I'll film that. Let's go outside right now. We're going to go outside right now. It's dark, so you won't be able to see that well, but as you can see, the winds are picking up. They say the hurricane is about 60 miles away and it's traveling about 10 miles an hour. I'm talking about Hurricane Dolly. It's kind of windy. This is my hometown. I lived in Houston, Texas. I came down here when I was 11 years old, and here I live in Brownsville now. I was Houston born and raised, baby. So again, my goal is for you guys to witness the eye of the hurricane, and hopefully witness the hurricane hitting over here. So we're gonna go back inside. You guys want proof that I'm from Brownsville, right? I'm gonna show you the TV. Sorry, the TV looks kind of bad, but you can see right there, that's News Channel 5. That's the Rio Grande Valley. And it says hurricane warning. And that's where I'm from. I live right here. Right there, that's where I live. And hopefully the hurricane passes through there. There we go. Sorry, the signal is fading. Let me show you the front side of my house. It's kind of drizzling a bit. The winds are picking up. Hopefully I get to spot the eye of the hurricane. Again, my goal is to be in the center of the hurricane, which is the eye of the hurricane. Hopefully it passes right on top of my house. It's a category 1, so it shouldn't be that scary. I've never seen a hurricane in my life, in person. Let me show you back of the TV. Oh, the signal sucks. Let me put in channel 4. Look, that's channel 4. They have it on this side of the TV. Again, that's where I live. Right here, Brownsville, Texas. And it says tornado watch, hurricane warning. That's what it says. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, because hopefully you get to spot the eye of the hurricane. Well, later, man. Peace out and rock on.